In this video I will talk about how the light sculptures are treated and tell you of a very exciting moment. The light sculptures, after they have been sanded and polished, I sand them starting with 80 grit, then 180 and then 320, so it has a very nice smooth finish. When that's finished, then I treat it with a wood turner's oil on linseed oil base, let it dry overnight, polish it again, and then use a beeswax solution to finish it off, which gives a very nice sheen to it. And it's so nice just to run your hands over this really smooth piece of wood. The tactile experience also belongs to my light sculptures. And when I do art fairs, then most of the booths there's do not touch, do not touch. But I encourage people to touch because it just is so much of the experience of my light sculptures. They don't just have a form, they don't just spread out light, they're also very nice to touch. Then, when all the work has been done, then I can put in the electricals and the light bulbs, and then I have this very exciting moment because now, for the first time, I can see how the finished result is. And despite the fact that I have a lot of experience in doing this and a fair idea of how it's going to turn out, then there are just so many nuances which affect the finished result, like the wood, how the light travels in the cavity, the light from the outer elements, they shine onto the center element, and the central element shines its light on the outside elements. Also the positioning of the light bulbs has an influence. So it's always quite exciting to turn it on.